Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be doing with Wassce 2019 Mathematics Past Question 30. It says a rectangular board has a length of 15 centimeters and the width is x centimeter. It are doubled. Find new area. A says the new area will be 60x centimeter squared. B says the new area will be 45x centimeter, and C says it will be 30. D says it will be 15x. Now this is a rectangular board. It says the length is 15 and the width is x. Now the formula for finding area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So if they are doubled, this one becomes 15 times 2, which is 30. This one becomes x times 2, which is 2x. So the area becomes what? 2x multiplying 30. Now multiply by 30 gives you 60x centimeter squared. Now the answer to this question is 60x centimeter squared. It's direct and easy. So the answer is option A, 60x centimeter squared. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.